Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet Cooking and more. And today I'm going to share with you a cake decorating video. I got the order for this cake at the last minute, so I could not do much about it. And the order was for a makeup themed cake. It was for a small girl, cute little girl, but I did not get much time for decorating this cake. It was something which I had to do in a rush. So anyways, in the end I somehow managed to pull it off, and I could not give too much of time on making the fondant toppers. Very few of them I could make, which I had placed it on this cake. So let's get on with this decoration. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you have any doubts or queries, please do write in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to all those questions. So keep watching. And yes, if you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and relatives. And if you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing to our channel.